Good day everyone, I am Fatima B. Ibanez from BS Criminology 2 Eco, and for today's video, I'm discussing about my proposal plan entitled Let's Plant a Tree Project Solution for Forest Loss in Bacungan. For my introduction, environmentalists and scientists says the island of Palawan has many problems. Land conversion due to human population increases, logging, and even a huge palm plantation, together with continuous quarrying and mining activities. But it's not too late to find a solution to save the island from total destruction. In Let's Plant a Tree community project, we want to help the rehabilitation of our forests and timberland to restore and conserve the natural beauty of our community. We're encouraging every member of the community to participate in these tree planting projects. Everyone can take part to conserve our forest, plant a tree. When you protect a forest from being cut down, you're doing your part to help reduce emission while also protecting threatened wildlife, empower local and indigenous communities in fighting poverty and deforestation of all at the same time. As a global community, we have never been as connected as we are right now. If we each do our part, we can change how the world's forests are valued. And we can make a real difference in forest conservation and climate action. In location, the area is at Barangay Bacungan where the project will be located. Is not that in distance from a city proper is relatively accessible to any vehicles. Over the years, some timberland was skinned of each tree cover because of different human activities calling for an immediate action. Just like in secluded area of Barangay Bacungan where kaingin and pag-uuling is common livelihood of family. Though trees are being planted under several initiatives every year, but they still don't match the numbers of the ones we've already lost, as most inhabitants still practice and continually do harmful activities. It is the time to urge everyone to plant trees in the vicinity and replace the cut trees. The key objectives of this project are to rehabilitate deforested timberland in community-owned areas of Bacungan which have been highly underutilized for decades due to the presence of kaingin, pag-uuling, and land conversion. Rehabilitation of the land will be achieved through planting trees that will replace the trees that had been cut down, and implementation of laws and regulation regarding the punishment for violating forest conversion code of Palawan that will help to eradicate these nature-wrecking illegal activities. For the description of proposed project, this project aims to include all forest skin areas in every purok, especially the timberland where most of citizens cut down trees for different purposes, and some regrowth forested areas that was originally all forested land that was cleared through ancient shifting agriculture method years ago. The project will encourage at least one every family for a year to participate in tree planting activity that will be held in allocated areas. Species to be planted: mahogany tree, mulave tree, and gelumena. The number of trees to be planted is 168,220. Why did I choose it? Palawan Island contains the largest remaining expanse of unbroken forest cover in the Philippines, and my barangay is lucky enough to be in this province. However, the forest is currently threatened by agricultural colonization and harmful activities of human. I choose this project because it's aimed to address environmental issues and social problems. Lack of livelihood opportunities in both of them can be solved through solidarity of the community. To protect the world that our children will inherit from us, me and my community must act swiftly to reduce deforestation not only in Bacungan or in province of Palawan but also across to the country and the globe. For conclusion, this project sought to address the deforestation in Barangay Bacungan and help to rehabilitate the area that already been damaged. Through community tree planting, we want to help the conservation of our forest because reforestation plays an important role in order to overcome deforestation and to restore the natural balance of plant life on the planet. These steps in conservation are not hard if we truly care for our environment. We aim to protect Bacungan's biodiversity hand in hand and inspire other communities to also do this in any place that needs care and protection. With this, we can all live in a better and safer place.